Welcome to the 3-Minute Coffee Motivation with Marcella. Hi everybody, my name is Marcella and I'm so glad you stopped by. As women, partners, wives, mothers, employees or business owners, how often does it feel like we have to be everything and remember everything for everyone else? How often does it feel like we have to always put everyone else's needs before our own? Have you ever wondered who let that happen? Well, the truth is, we did. We simply forget to push back when our old habits or demand and others in our lives take over. We simply forget to claim our time. I grew up watching my mom coming home from work, exhausted mentally and physically, getting into her duties as a homemaker. I grew up on a farm, so you can imagine the amount of work, not to mention the never-ending cleaning, cooking, laundry, and cleaning again. By the time my mom sat down to take a break, it was 9 or 10 p.m. Barely enough time to say goodnight to me and my brother. Next day, as you can imagine, exactly the same. If you ask me what my mom's hobbies were, she had none. Because she had no time, at least so she claimed. By the time my mom was forced to take some me time, it was too late. She passed away in 2017. She was sick, scared, and alone. I believe that we do have time just for us, for me time, but we are so dang afraid to take it because we feel guilty about it or because we assumed some unrealistic expectations to be more, to do more, to have more, or because we are afraid to be judged by others. Sounds familiar? I bet it does. Please don't get me wrong. I am not saying you should neglect your family, your kids, or your partner, or your duties. No. I am simply saying that we deserve some me time every single day. You deserve it. You already know that. But how can I create me time when I have so much to do? Well, allow yourself to let go of some of the burdens you carry and find the space to create the time for yourself you need and deserve. It all comes down to time, space, and love for yourself. Do you love yourself enough to take this journey with me? I know you are already worth it, so it's just a matter of deciding. Will you invest more time in yourself and your happiness? Or are you always going to put everyone else first and hope to one day get a hero's award? You are worth it, and you already know that too. Perhaps this message is the wake-up call you need right now. Isn't it your turn to take some self-care? Isn't it time to build a life you love? Today is Monday. Take this opportunity to take the first step in creating your me time. I am giving you permission to have me time today. Start with 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes that are yours and yours only. How do you want to feel during these 10 minutes? Let me know. Share your thoughts about how you are going to claim these 10 minutes of me time today. And if you want to learn more about how you can create a life you want, go to askmarcella.com and let's talk. You got this. I know you can. Do you? Love to all. You got this, Queen.